Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. In this video, we are going to talk about a story, a true story of an IT guy. And this video is for everyone who is planning to attend interviews and you have got some experiences. So through this video, I want to explain you the risk, if you're doing that. Let us try to understand what is that and we'll go straight to the point. So there was an IT guy with 5 years of experience. Okay, we all have some experience, be it real or fake. I don't mind. Okay, so after that, what happens is this guy got an opportunity to work in some X company. So I'm writing X company. Okay, so now from X company he has worked for 2 years. Now when he worked for these 2 years, this became genuine, right? Now, whatever the previous experience is there, assume this is of fake experience. Okay. Now, you know how the market is currently in 2024 or 2023. It is very tough, very limited opportunities. Many are losing their, jobs and all. Now, similar thing happened with this guy. Okay, where he, because of some, a project funding you consider, or no extension of the contract, whatever, but he was moved to bench first step. Okay, he was first moved to bench, and then he was asked to look projects within first step, projects within the organization. So because there were limited opportunities, no extensions happening around the organization, he was forced to leave the organization. So somehow he came out of that organization, which means job lost, simple. Okay, now what this guy did is, okay, he started applying for other companies. Obviously, that is what we all do. So now how many years of experience he is keeping? Like say, uh, five fake of previous company plus 2 years of current company. Okay, so total 7 years of experience he's keeping and he's trying to apply for the job. Fine. So now what is the motivation here? Because when he applied for the first time and everything went through, he thought, whatever these 2 years are there, I will just add on to that and I'll start applying for a senior position. Okay, now you remember, technically speaking, you just got a 2 years experience. That's it. Okay. Now, when you are going for a 7 years experience or 8 years experience, chances are that you might be considered for a senior position or you might be considered for lead kind of position. Right now, we do not have that kind of exposure, nor do we have that skill set to match what this guy will have with an 8 years of experience. Okay, so that is individuals' risk that they want to take. Maybe we are not getting calls when we keep 3 years of experience or 4 years of experience and all. So all that is happening. He then finally, with this experience, 7 years of experience, he landed a job again. Okay, again, he landed a job again with good company. Okay, and with good package. So whatever the package he was offering or he was, getting here in this, he got, 30 to 40% hike. So he was happy that okay, somehow I landed my in job. I will try to continue that. Now remember when this happened 2 years back, right? Which means he got 2 years means like that was assume in 2020 or 2021, whatever that during that time. Now during that time, market condition was different, right? So you all remember how, how many jobs there were during the COVID times. Everyone, if they are trying for Tableau, even persons knowing T of Tableau landed a job with a good package, right? So that time it was very nice. So everyone landed job, did they learned all that happened. Now situation is very critical. Okay, very critical. Jobs are less and people applying, people trying are more. So which means your competition is high. In this, we are also competing with the actual or real experience guys, right? Now, whatever the process that has happened here, your BGC and all, same thing will start again here. Now, this guy landed the job, he got the offer letter, he joined the organization. Now, after that, what happened was BGC started again. Okay, BGC is nothing but your background verification. Now, with the confidence that, when he gave the same experience here of previous company, whatever he kept, that went through, he got a green signal. We all assume that, okay, that will work in this situation also. Okay, now everyone has evolved during this time. They have learned from their mistakes. You remember Accenture's, case where they have fired all the people with the, you know, fake experiences. There were a number of different companies. Okay, so they have reduced Cognizant did that. Many organizations, Wipro did that, Techem did that. They have tried to find out what is the company of the fake or the fake company name, and they tried to remove those candidates without even giving the warning, or some got warning depending on that. So now again when he went, this guy, again when this guy started, so BGC started. Okay, so because already BGC was clear here, so he here also BGC was clear, at least the first level was clear. Now how are the candidates getting caught? Okay, so company wise, what the BGC guy will do, okay, maybe the first level is he will send an email to the company that you are keeping from the current whatever is there. So he will get a response. Okay, so that is the first level. Okay, and they will respond, okay, stating that, okay, so and so employee was part of my organization for so and so period. So that will clear your initial check. Okay, now second, in this method, some might get caught, some might not get caught. Okay, assume you are in a good case and you are not getting caught here, at least in the first level. So now what will happen in the second case? Second method of a finding, or second method of finding the genuinity of the candidate, is through your PF statements. Companies are even asking for your PF statement. Okay, your form 16 or your UAN number, or even the bank account statement. These are this is very critical now. Okay, so even some are managing this PF statement. I don't know how. Okay, but they are handling this. I have seen some of the students, not students, I would say, some of the subscribers whom I have met. They said they are able to, at least get PF statements, you know, somehow manage it. Okay, but this Form 16 UAN bank account statement are very tough to handle, because we are not prepared for this situation. So when did you work in that organization? We worked somewhere around 5 years back. Right, now we need to get bank statement 5 years back, with the salary, because now we cannot get a backdated entries. Okay, so there is no way we can go back and prove that on particular 2020 of December, I got a salary of so and so. So if you are able to prove that, obviously it is genuine, right? If you are not able to prove this or produce this form 2A and S, but I think form 2AS or something is there. So this proves the genuinity. So your UA number will itself will tell whether this candidate is genuine or not. So all of these things are happening. Okay. So please try to avoid keeping fake experiences. Now everyone has evolved. They are doing multi-level checks. What I wanted to tell is they are doing multi-level checks. Okay, so maybe first level of preliminary check is just to check, whether the organization is available or not. Second check is, if all of these statements are present or not. So first they'll ask you PF statement, if not this form 16, if not UN number, and then bank statement. Even there was a case where HR has asked the guy to log into his account and show the statement. Okay. Or go to bank and get the statement. Okay. So I don't want all of you guys to, struggle around this or do this kind of activities, because you might land a job that is like 1 month or 2 months of happiness, but end of the day again you will regret, okay, why have I done. Again you will be in the same position once the company realizes that, okay, whatever you have kept is fake. The struggle that you had to land the job will be gone. Again you have to start from the scratch. Don't do that. Okay. So what I wanted to tell or reaffirm is that, organizations have evolved. Their checks have evolved. They are now doing thorough check. They are not, giving any chance for such. If you're lucky, I mean, feel lucky that, if you're not in this part, somehow, yours went through and you're working. Consider that, your organization is not doing a detailed BGC. Simple. It is as simple as that. It all depends on what kind of project you are working in. Okay. So BGC from company's perspective is one level. Okay. I also wanted to tell one, BGC from company's perspective. Second is sometimes when you are working for banking projects, they will do their own BGC again. So again, BGC from project perspective. So yours will be, I mean, your BGC will be will be happening for two times. One, company might do a higher level of validation of your employment, but this banking guys will not leave. Okay, they will uh, go through the experiences. Like say, I got whatever the landed job in new company I said, right? So this guy, maybe when this BGC guy goes, he will check with this organization. Okay, here it is 2 years genuine. So whatever you ask, you can produce it, right? So everything is valid. Now chances are that he might go to previous organization also, and he will ask all of that. Now suppose you're keeping two different companies, okay, instead of five. Let us say here again you have 3 years. Again let us assume this is also genuine. Okay, so now 2 years of experience here is fake. No, you're bad luck that you got a banking project in the new organization. Again, they'll start verifying the details. So first, they'll go to this company and validate your employment. Second, again, they'll go to previous company and validate that. And again, they'll go to third level and they'll validate. So it all depends on how detailed or thorough BGC or background verification they are doing on your employment. So this will take time. So here you'll not get caught. You'll not get caught. For this you are not prepared. Why we are not prepared? Because we have already worked in two companies and we are already working. So we will assume that, okay, he will not go to that level. Let us keep and try. Now if your time is good, okay. If your time is bad, this will come out and it will become a shocker. Now they will ask you to produce all of this for which you are not ready or you are not prepared. Now we start running here and there how to cover that up. Okay. We cannot produce backdated bank statements. Gone. Okay. We do not have PF statement. Gone. We do not have Form 16. Gone. So don't do that. So once you get genuine experience, just remove this. That is what my ideal solution or the best solution is. What will happen? Worst case is you will try with whatever the experiences you got here, 5 years, right? So even this guy should have worked with or gone with the limited experience that he had. But because of the market condition that we are not getting calls, this guy took a risk that, okay, let us try with high experience, for which he got calls. But what happened end of the day? His job is currently in the risk. Now he has been asked by HR to come and prove himself. Like all of these statements are genuine. Now you tell me in the comment section how can we cover this up? Okay, so I think that's it from my side in this video. And a sincere request is not to go with the fake experience. Just ignore that. Try with whatever you have, genuine thing. And today or tomorrow or maybe day after tomorrow, you will get whatever the job you are looking for. Okay, right now the market is very tough, and they simply need a reason to fire you. Okay, and if you're giving such reasons, they will not even think once. So don't do that kind of thing. Okay, I hope my video has helped you and have given you some insight on how to protect yourself in this tough market. If you need more such videos, do like, share, and subscribe, and share your valuable feedback. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, and have a good day.